We're live. We're back.
We're back, ladies and gentlemen. We are back. Sorry about that. Live telly and all that. Bit of Wi-Fi. We had some software issues. I reckon what closed the stream down there was Stu singing in Switzerland. I think it was that. Either that or the image of him topless stroking a pig probably set things off as well. Maybe it's, I don't know, flagged something to MI5. Who's this weird guy stroking a pig in Barbados? Who knows? But we're back, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry about that. We're just going to give you a couple of seconds to let everyone come back on.
Give the live a like.
Give that live a like, ladies and
gentlemen.
Yeah, don't forget about mugs. We will let you all come back just for a second. Wait until our numbers are just back up, just a smidgen. Mate, all fun and games. Technology, ladies and gentlemen. Technology at its best.
It's already jumping.
And we're already taking some dips.
All right, let's just smash through this. Quadlock.
Are we going to do it?
Yeah, let's do the Quadlock.
We're going to go straight in with the Quadlock. We've got some people joining back on. I can see some likes.
Yeah,
I can see some stuff going on. So, Dino, if we're ready and the live stream looks a bit more stable, let's pump the numbers in for the Quadlock, ladies and gentlemen.
1 to
so
99.
Let's crack straight on. I am aware that it's nearly bedtime and EastEnders is cracking right through. So if we're drumming, Dean, 1 to 149.
Yep. No.
No, 1 to 99.
Oh, Dan, I've missed the drum roll now. 1 to 99.
Thank you.
33.
33. There we go. Well done, number 33. I don't believe, did this sell out? I don't think it did. I think it was just shy of selling out. So again, if we don't find a winner first time, do not panic. We will spin the wheel again and find a winner tonight.
We've got a winner.
Who have we got, Dino?
We've got Paul Kurton with a K.
Paul Kurton with a K.
Paul Kurton with a K.
Paul Kurton.
Kurton, yeah, with
Paul
a K.
Kurton with a K.
God, you scared me then when you said the wrong ticket numbers. I've had to check.
I'm glad you did because I read the wrong ticket numbers. So happy days. Yeah, it is 1 to 1. Yeah, the Sena's 1 to 149. So there we go. Paul Kurton.
Oh, I forgot the RST jacket. We'll go back and do it.
What do you mean?
Wait, did we draw the RST jacket?
Oh no, we didn't.
We'll have to go back and do that.
We'll go back and do that. We'll change the order, ladies and gentlemen. Last minute change because of Wi-Fi trouble. We were going to do the RST jacket next, you see, and then we were going to do the Quadlock. But hey, we can go back. Just make sure you're in the right entry list, Dino.
Yeah, I am, don't worry.
Cool. Paul Kurton with a K.
Paul Kurton with a K.
Paul Kurton with a K.
Quadlock mounting kit. Come on then, Paul.
Come on, Paul. Answer the phone. If you haven't dropped off the live feed and gone, I can't believe they failed us. I can't hear.
Oh. Hello?
Hello?
Hi, is that Paul?
It is.
Hi, Paul. It's Dino from Apex 66. How's it going?
Hiya, mate. Sound, yeah. Good, yeah.
Good. Did you enter a competition to win?
I did.
A Quadlock?
I did. What?
Quadlock.
Yes, I did, yeah.
Were you expecting me to say a motorbike?
Yeah, I was.
Wow, we've not drawn that yet. We've had some Wi-Fi issues, so we're running a bit late tonight. But congratulations, Paul. You've won the Quadlock.
Oh, nice one.
Congratulations.
Well done, Paul.
Cheers, mate. Nice one.
Well, you could be winning a Street RS later on as well to put the Quadlock on.
Oh, yeah.
Who knows?
Well, fingers crossed for you, buddy. We could be calling you back shortly, so remember the number, and we'll hopefully speak to you soon.
Cheers, mate. Thanks very much.
Perfect. To speak to you later, Paul.
Cheers. Now,
Cheers.
ta-ra.
Bye.
There you go.
There we go.
Paul Kurton.
What a legend.
Trying to connect the phone to the speaker now. But there you go. That's a good job. You got a mic on then, Dino. Well played. You took the call. So there we go. So
should we draw the...
let's go back a step and draw the RST Tracktech, I do believe they call it, the Tracktech jacket.
This is also...
which was also tickets, Dean, 1 to 99 indeed. So let's pump those numbers in and drum roll, please, Mr. Banker.
Feed's dropped, so we'll just wait for that to come back.
Oh, I can see.
What's going on this week? Is it the weather?
It could be the weather. It has hammered it down today. I don't know what it's like near you guys, but hey, in Worcester, it has been relentless. I mean, you know when you can hear the,
We're ready. Drum roll.
Drum roll. Here we go.
Raymond says the Wi-Fi is as reliable as Katie Price's birth control. 89.
Just before 9 o'clock. 89. Well done. Well done, Techie. 89. This did sell out, I think. Yes. we hopefully will find a winner.
Well, if we don't, there's something gone seriously wrong there.
Ticket number 89. Who could it be?
Got a winner.
We got a winner.
Antony. Is it Pape or Pape? Or
Antony. How do you spell it?
Pape.
Antony Pape.
Pen, pineapple, apple, pen.
It could be Pape.
Pape.
It could be Pape.
Boop.
We'll ask
just say
Antony, regular player.
We'll just say Antony.
Believe first time winner. So well done. Well done, Antony. We'll give you a shout in a second. Summer jackets. Well, it's not very summery today. Would you like to see more summery jackets? Let us know. They're really good, the mesh jackets. It's quite a sort of nice to have. Most riders tend to have 1 or 2 jackets. Generally one leather, one textile. And the textile tends to be quite heavy because it's all kitted out, just like the Andes, to be fair, an all year round suit. But summer jackets are quite a nice leisurely thing to have. Antony. Crank it up.
As loud as it goes.
Hello?
Hi, is that Antony?
Yeah, speaking.
Antony, it is Dan at Apex 66. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Very good indeed, sir. Very good indeed. Antony, did you enter a competition to win an RST Tracktech jacket?
Yeah.
Excellent news for you, sir. You are the winner of said jacket. Well done.
Thank you.
You are very, very welcome. What I will do is I will give you a call tomorrow and pick up your sizing and stuff, and we'll get that jacket straight out to you.
Thank you very much.
There we go. Are you in for anything else tonight?
Yeah, obviously
Whee! There we go. Well, still to draw that one. We will be coming on to that in one draw's time. So bear with. Who knows? We could be calling you back.
Thank you.
No worries. Well done, Antony. Catch up with you later. Cheers now. Bye. Bye.
He was a bit disappointed, wasn't he?
He was a little bit disappointed. I could hear in his voice because it is usually bike draw time right about now. So
really
we will crack straight on. Last small prize of the evening, Dino.
SENA.
The
SENA 10C.
The 10C. Very, very, very nice bit of kit this. So good luck, everybody. This did sell out.
Oh, another dip. Bloody hell. We'll just wait.
We got some Wi-Fi dippage.
I think it's all right. Looks like we're all right.
Are we restabilising?
Yeah.
Give us a comment, guys. Give us a like.
Yeah,
we can see the likes pinging up. We know things are live.
You ready? Drum roll, please.
Drum roll, please, Mr. Banker. Let's drum that roll.
Is that a cat?
It sounded like a cat, didn't it? It was like, outside.
109.
109. Come and dine with me. That was a terrible rhyme.
It really was.
Rhyme and 9. That's good. I think I've done that one before.
We've got a winner.
We have a winner. Who do we have, Dino?
We've got, let me just bring it up, Brian Lewis.
Brian Lewis.
Brian Lewis.
Well done, Brian Lewis. The winner. He is the winner of the SENA. Brian Lewis. Recognise the name. Regular player, I think. Well, I think we might have more than one Brian Lewis. In fact, I think we have.
I mean, he's got ticket 108 and 109.
108 and 109.
Because we do allocate them randomly.
They are, as you guys well know. So well done, Brian. We will try and give you a call now. If the SENA is something you want to see more of, maybe the dual pack or a different version or a different headset altogether, let us know. Message us. We take recommendations on board and we will run the prizes if there's demand.
Check you out, guys.
Hey! Is that Brian watching live?
It is, yeah.
Well done, my man. You will know then that you are the winner of the SENA 10C Bluetooth headset.
Absolutely fantastic.
Great news. What bike are you riding at the moment, Brian?
1250 GS.
1250 GS. Very nice indeed. Very nice indeed. And now you have a SENA 10C headset to pop on your helmet.
That's absolutely brilliant.
Well done, mate.
I was hoping I'd win the camper.
The camper?
Yeah. Oh, that's another side.
Yeah, I was going to say, we do motorbikes, Brian, and motorbike stuff. That's it. Oh, are you oh, sorry. Are you picking up Dean as well because he's on the microphone as well? So yeah, sorry about that. No worries. What we'll do, Brian, is we'll give you a shout tomorrow. Okay, I'll confirm your address up and we'll get that ordered and sent out to you. All right.
Absolutely fantastic.
Well done, my man. Thanks so much for playing. Cheers. Bye. Bye. Fantastic. There we go. We do campers, Dean.
I didn't know that. Did you know that?
I love that. That's fantastic. No, we don't do campers. We do motorcycles and motorcycle-related prizes only. And pressure washers if they're pink, and for motorcycles. You've got
Should we draw the bike?
Before we draw the bike, let's watch Stu in all his glory, messing up on a few bits and pieces. Enjoy.
You could win this top spec Triumph Street Triple RS with a host of top spec accessories. All you need to do is follow the link, enter the competition, and you could be growing. I say that all the time, don't I? So am I just winking or am I saying it?
Just say, and yes, they are pink.
What, and then turning like that?
Whatever you want to do.
And yes, they are pink. I fucked that up, didn't I?
Yeah.
That's better, yeah. And yes, they are pink.
You just did it differently again.
Did I?
Yeah.
The only man that can't wink. Oh, what am I doing then? That. Just doing that on. I'm not moving my head.
Up to you, mate.
And yes, they are pink.
That was terrible. I think move the head.
Okay. And yes, they are pink. Yeah. This one. Did you hear that? This one comes in my. Oh, did it up already? This one is my. What do we say? Best handling middleweight roadster on the market, which is why it's won countless awards. It's not that difficult, is it? The Street Triple RS. Okay. The Street Triple RS is renowned for being the best handling. The Street Triple RS is. Street Triple RS is the best. I got it. The Street Triple RS is. The Street Triple RS is the best handling. And these aren't just any Brembos, these are the M50 calipers. No, that's right. And these aren't just any, they're just not. And these aren't just any. And these aren't just any, fuck off. 3, 2, 1. And these aren't just, okay, I got it. Which produces 121 brake horsepower, 77 newton meters of torque, which is more than enough. From styling to handling to a host of accessories, this really is the perfect bike for you. That was all right up until then, wasn't it? In summary, this is one of the coolest bikes on the market today. That's it, isn't it? That's not what I said before, was it?
Beep. There you go. The wink. The wink has been re-recorded. I love it. Absolutely love it. So there you go. Stu's best bit. His greatest. Can I say it yet? No, I can't. Hits with an S in front of it. Well done, Stu. That is the Street Triple RS. Now we are going to crack on and draw said motorcycle.
Gosh.
Very excited about this. Sorry, guys. We are a good 5 to 10 minutes later than we usually would be. So I will stop talking. Dean, can you put in some numbers, please? This is
put them in. 1 to
1299. Very, very nearly a sellout. So thank you everybody for entering.
Thankfully.
Dean's just smugly gone, I don't need to shave a lightning bolt in the back of my head. Hey, the time will come, Dean. The time will come. We'll have you another time. So good luck, everybody. We'll check the live stream is clear.
It's clear,
drumming
mate.
roll.
Dead straight.
Let's do this. Find ourselves a winner.
964.
964. Shut the front door. There, thanks, Dean. Thanks for filling that in, mate.
964.
964. Shut the front door. So, if we have no winner, because it wasn't quite a sellout, it was very close, but if we have no winner, then we will spin again. If we have a winner, then we shall ring them.
964. We've got our winner.
We have a winner.
It is. Let me just bring it up. Oh, let me remember his name first. There we go. Keiran Lockton.
Keiran.
964. Just double checking that. Yeah, 964. Keiran Lockton.
Keiran Lockton. Keiran Lockton.
With a K and a T and an O and an N.
I don't recognise the name.
Well done, Keiran.
Well done, Keiran. So, thank you everybody for playing.
Thank you to Ducati Worcester.
Huge thanks to Ducati Worcester. We'll come back onto that bit in a second, Dino.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
We're not ending just yet. We're going to give Keiran a call. But yeah, loads of great stuff for you to get your teeth into, guys. That Street Twin, I tell you now, is the perfect second motorcycle. So if you already have a motorcycle, fine. No problem. This in the garage as a stablemate to anything is just that jump on Sunday ride. It is an absolute hoot to ride. So multi-bar offers are on the website as usual. Tickets capped at $12.99. It is a brand new motorcycle, and we'll be drawing regardless of ticket sales this time next Thursday. Let's phone Keiran Lockton.
Oh, come on, Keiran.
Hello.
Woo! Hi, is that Keiran?
It is, yes.
Keiran, this is Dan calling from Apex 66. How are you?
Hello, mate. Yeah, I'm in a state of shock a little bit, for one.
Hey, he's watching.
Oh, is he watching live?
I am watching.
Hey! Whoop, 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 whoop!
Unbelievable. It's my birthday today as well.
Oh, no
man.
way! Happy birthday, Keiran. Fantastic news. Well done, you. So, I don't need to say it, but I will say it. Congratulations. You've just won yourself a phenomenal motorcycle, a Triumph Street Triple RS.
Fantastic. Gobsmacked.
What are you riding at the moment?
I haven't. I'm just doing my test at the moment.
Oh.
Street Triple RS forever.
Amazing. Inspiring new riders all across the country. There we go. So that is superb, mate. Well done. When do you have your test?
I've got my Mod 1 booked on the 13th of September, and then hopefully the Mod 2 shortly after that.
Amazing. No, fantastic. Well done, you. And what an incentive to stare at you in the garage.
Exactly that.
No, well done.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
No worries at all. We'll let you go and we will give you a call.
Where are you from, Keiran?
Yeah, where are you from?
Hastings.
Hastings, down in sunny Hastings. Sunny. Everyone always says sunny Hastings. I used to go to Hastings a lot, to be honest. I can imagine. Yeah, it's all right down the seafront, to be fair. I know sort of St Leonard's area fairly well and stuff. So.
Is that the 0800 00?
No, that 1066. Yeah, Dean's young and inexperienced, and yeah, he just remembers the Battle of Hastings. That's all he remembers. But that actually happened in battle, Dean. Did you know? So there you go. Anyway, no worries. We will let you go, Keiran. I'll catch up with you tomorrow and take you through the process. All right. But well done, you. Go and have yourself a beer and enjoy your evening. You're welcome. No, you're welcome. Happy birthday. Have a good one.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Well done. Cheers. Bye.
It's his birthday.
Oh, it's his birthday. Fantastic. Well, there you have it, ladies and gents. Thank you to everybody for playing. We couldn't do this without you guys. We really appreciate your support. Don't forget, we'll do your website credit tomorrow. So we'll do the draw for that, and we'll draw some mugs as well for some funnies. We will look at both streams because obviously we had to open the second stream. Thank you for bearing with us. Massive thank you to Ducati Worcester, part of the Ducati Manchester group, biggest Ducati group in the world. Absolute fact. And next week we will be live from Triumph in where will be Staffordshire. Staffordshire Triumph. That's where we'll be drawing the Street Twin and all those other prizes. 6 more winners next week, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you, good night, and God bless. Bye bye.